Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is better, the Tapo C210 or the Tapo C220. So let's check it out. So here we're going to compare two, which is the C220 and the C210. So here you will see the pricing. You will get up to $26.99 on the C220 and you'll get up to $37.99 for the C210. So here we will go with the technical specifications. Here we have the imaging. So the number of lenses for this one is both one, it's just not listed. The image sensor is actually the same, and here the sensor resolution for the 220 is actually higher than the 210. It's only 3 megapixels. So next you will have to go with the focal length, so it's 4 millimeters for the 220 and 210 for the 3.8. So here the field of view is not stated, so we'll just skip that. The maximum aperture is f sharp 2 in the 220 and f sharp 2.4 in the C210. So they're both wireless and this can both be used indoor and outdoor and using Wi-Fi. So both of them, as you can see, have a pan of 360 and only a tilt of 69 degrees for the 220, while the tilt of the 114 is way higher. So cellular support is not supported on both. They will both have 128-bit AES WPA WPA2 connections, and the networking, I am not sure with that, it's not stated here. So for the interface, as you can see, they both support micro SD card, but 512 gigabytes for the 220 and the 256 gig for the 210. So here they're both two-way audios and they have built-in microphones. Both of them is just not stated here. They both have built-in speakers and they don't have internal storage, therefore the micro SD cards. So they both have the smart home ecosystems with Alexa and Google Assistant. For sensors and alarms, you will have motion detection, night vision, sound for the 210, while the 220 has more with the PIR sensor and sound. So the sensor range is not stated here, but I assume they are both the same. Event trigger, they do both. And in the event action, they have recording, notification, and alarms. So these are both the same power outputs with the DC in. And here for the environment, they both function up to the same ranges, and that's it. So basically here in the general information, they both have 850 nm IR LEDs up to 9.1 meters. So they both work with Android and iOS. And for certifications, I don't think you'll even need that. But dimensions, the C210 is actually a little bit smaller than the C20. But for comparison, I would go with the C20 with its updated features and with updated sensors and better vision for its camera. So there you go guys, that is the comparison. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.